workshop. Today we're going to be drawing an Eclectus Parrot, so hope you'll follow along with me. Need some paper and something to color with, or if you have an Apple Pencil and have an iPad, any kind, you can use that as well. So let's go. The first step, we're going to draw the head and the beak. So first we're going to do the head first though. Now let's do the beak. Now let's do the neck. Now let's start with the body. If you didn't know, they get their name because their word called eclectic makes them look different from males and females. Males are usually like a bright green and have like a sunset colored beak, and the bottom of their beak is black, while females are bright red and blue. But today we're going to do the males. Now we're going to start with his wings. Now, let's make the tail feathers. Now, let's make the eye. Now let's do the feet. Now let's do the branch. We're gonna make him perch on the branch. Okay guys, so we have our Eclectus Parrot. Now we're gonna color it. guys, so what'd you think of our Eclectus Parrot? I hope this is a lot of fun to color, and I hope you really enjoyed it. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this how to draw video, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!